Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Manqoba Mngqithi has expressed his satisfaction with the performance of forward Thembinkosi Lorch during the Akaling Knockout Cup clash against Golden Arrows on Saturday. Lorch, who joined Sundowns from Orlando Pirates, made an immediate impact after being introduced as a second-half substitute, contributing to the team's 2-0 victory. His performance included a crucial assist from Toby Mvala's goal, marking Mvala's return to action after injury. Lorch also found the back of the net himself through his effort was disallowed due to an offside decision. Mngqithi praised Lorch's energy and influence in attack, noting the intensity and hunger the attacker displayed in his limited minutes on the field, and said it's really pleasing to see the substitute pushing to make an impact. These few minutes are an opportunity for players like Lorch to showcase what they can bring to the team while giving rest to our more established players. Mngqithi highlighted the effectiveness of recent substitutions, pointing to the team's ability to maintain dominance in matches. He acknowledged that while their changes didn't have the desired effect in a previous fixture against Amakosi, the recent matches against SuperSport and Golden Arrows have seen impressive contributions from the bench, and said I was very pleased to see Lorch showing hunger, intensity and good movement of the ball. His assist was exactly what we need from our offensive players, and I'm excited about what he brings to the squad. Lorch's strong display, even in a brief cameo, bodes well for Sundowns as they continue to rotate players and manage a busy fixture schedule. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.